Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing a small project in my bedroom. I am creating a sitting area. Now with Beauty over at her place, I don't have to have the medical bed in here anymore. And I'm not going to put the bed back where it was. I think it's fine by the window on this side, and I would like to have a place to sit and study and pray. And I have a lot of books and study material, and I usually just kind of spread out everywhere, and I don't want that in my main living area. So I'm going to make a space in my bedroom. So I'm going to turn my camera around and show you what I'm going to be working with and what I'm planning for the space. Okay, so this is where the bed used to be. And I got this really nice couch from a friend of mine. She gifted this to us. This has been sitting in the garage for quite a long while. And now we're able to put it here. So I used to have the hospital bed there, and my vanity, I've got to get some painting done, but I'm not getting that done right now. I will have it done at some point, just not right now. So what I did was I've had my closet, my master closet has been worked on. And they're still coming to pick up some of the things. They haven't picked them up yet. So I had my master closet redone where she lowered a bar, she put a bar up higher, and now I'm able to use this one as well. But as you can tell, the bar, she didn't get it anchored in, or the anchors broke. So she's coming back to fix that. So for right now, I'm not putting anything else on the shelf. I also moved out the laundry basket or the hamper from the laundry room. Everybody is getting their own separate laundry basket. The kids have their own. I brought this one in here. That's going to go over here in this little space. So my challenge, because I moved this bookshelf. This used to be over here, and I had a tall one here, which I've now moved out to here. So what I've got to do is I have to get all of this off of the shelf so I can put more books here, because my living room bookshelves are overflowing. So I'm going to fill this with books. I'm going to fill this bottom section with books, and then I'm going to bring my jewelry pieces and put them here. So what I plan to do is move all of my shoes onto the floor down here in 2 single rows. And that will free up these 2 shelves for me to put my jewelry pieces in here. So that's the plan. And then that's my bed. I moved the vanity over. And so that's the plan for this bookshelf. So I just thought I'd bring you guys along as I worked on this little project and tried to clean up some of my bookshelves and make a space in here where mom can just sit and study and read and do all the things that I love doing, prepping for my sermons. And I just want a nice calm space. I do still have my prayer chair. It's on the other side of the room, and I'm leaving that there for now because I still want to sit there and pray. But for this project, I just want to make it so that the kids can come in and sit and watch TV, because directly across from here is the TV. So if they want to come in and watch a show, we can all sit on the couch, or I can sit on the couch and they can sit on the floor. However we want to do it is fine. But I'm going to be working on these 2 shelves, getting all that out, and putting my books in here. So come along with. So I'm done. Jackson helped me out a little bit, and I wanted to share with you my new little sitting area. I'm also going to show you the new bedspread that I got. I still have to get curtains in here, so I'm not 100% done, but I'm working towards it. Again, as monies come in, I'll be able to get more things, but for right now, I'm just making a little space for Mom, somewhere I don't have to share. I can sit, think, pray, cry, do whatever I want. But anyway, happy with the progress, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is my new bed. It's just a quilt. Everything else underneath there I've already had. And then I do need to get some new pillowcases. I don't have any blue, and I couldn't find blue, and I wasn't trying to spend money on it this week with the hurricane. So I do love this. This is called Rose Blue. I got this at Walmart. The name of it is called Rose Blue, and I love those rose colors. So I'm going to try to bring in some of these colors in maybe the pillowcases or the curtains. And then I do have my vanity here. I have a chair that I just keep behind the door, and I'll put it out when I'm ready to do some stuff. But that is what this looks like. I don't have any curtains up yet. I did have pink and white curtains, but I took those out and gave those to Alana. So we're finishing up the project in her room. And then this is what my new sitting area and my bookshelf looks like. So I just brought in the marble. This is actually a real marble table. That was also a gift with this blue couch. It's a antique couch. Do love it. I probably need to steam clean it or try to figure out how to clean it, but for now it'll work. And I've got all my reference books here, and then up here I have a little speaker for my phone if I want to, you know, play some music or whatever. And then I'll show you how I put the jewelry back in the closet. So we totally cleaned off the shelves and put my shoes down here. I just double stacked the shoes. And then I have sunglasses and some of my old glasses there. Some of my jewelry pieces here, jewelry pieces, my jewelry box. Then in here, I just hung up that one jewelry piece. And then this is what this looks like. So what I think I'm going to do, because I really don't like my shoes under there, is I'm going to get one of those behind the door storage pocket things, because those are all flats. So they'll fit in a shoe storage container perfectly. Or I'm going to get a, once we get this fixed, I'll be able to put them on top of that rack. At least the ones I wear the most. So right now, this is what it looks like. This is the project that we had for today. So there it is, you guys, just making a little mom space, little study space, and making improvements as we go. I am going to have this room painted, but just not right now. It looks great for right now. So anywho, we just wanted to invite you along as we worked on this project. If you like this video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.